G'day guys, how you going? Wayne from Outback Touring Australia here. This weekend I've decided to grab the kids. We've gone out for a nice little camp at Stannery Hills Dam. It's a beautiful little spot and it's quite secluded and not a lot of people camp here. Reason being is that you need permission from the station owner, so I'd definitely go and check that out and try and contact him if you want to come and check it out. But it's definitely a great little spot, nice and quiet, perfect little dam, good for fishing, good for the kids. Let's go and enjoy some family time. Alright guys, so tonight for dinner I'm going to make a little favourite of mine that I got from Forward Drive Action way back when Reese was doing the cooking. Alright guys, so this morning we're going to cook up some pancakes for breakfast. It's a very basic recipe. We're going to do it from scratch. It's a great one for camping and the kids are going to love it. All we need is a bit of milk, egg, flour and some golden syrup. Alright, let's get into it.